Good morning everyone. So today I'm gonna start the video off in a really different like scenery. Basically just spent the night in Siargao right on the beach. I'll show you the place later on. And right now it's actually like 5 AM in the morning. I don't know, I just woke up early and came down to the beach. Check it out. Super beautiful at the moment. Sunrise should be in about 30 minutes. Probably just gonna hang out here and wait until the sunrise. I haven't had a sunrise here in the Philippines yet. I'll have to wake up Carol so she can check it out as well. So it's been a really awesome place to stay. I can't wait to show you in a bit. Here she comes. Good morning, Sleepy. Come to see the beautiful painting. So there you have it, a pretty epic sunrise, all the different mixtures of colors. Like the sunsets are kind of like that as well from what I've seen. And the resort that I'm staying in is called 3 Bs Resort. The 3 Bs are beer, breakfast and beach, I think. That's the 3 things you definitely get in here. And yeah, I'll show you around a bit. So you can see right from the beach, we have like these cool little pods here to sit in. Loads of hammocks to chill out. Just coconut trees everywhere. Cool swing as well, and a kayak. And then we're staying over there. So this is our room here. Just a simple bed. Got a fan. Didn't even have to use it yesterday. And yeah, it's like a nice little wooden hut. Looks really cool. And then you get this as your view every morning. Crazy. I think you can also camp here as well. We've got some people in tents. So this place was only $15 a night to stay here for the both of us. So it's the same price as the hostel we were staying at down south in General Luna, but this is like a million times better. The food last night was amazing. And the owner is actually German. He's called Carl, and he built this thing himself. He didn't hire anyone to do it. It took him 2 years, so he built all these little wooden huts. It was just crazy. Seemed like a really cool guy though. He like sat down with us yesterday, we were talking with him. And yeah, it was like a nice community of people. Like everybody that's here just sits down together and has a meal together at night. It's just, yeah, it's just a pretty unique vibe here. And yeah, I'm looking forward to spending the whole day here today. Carol's going back to bed now.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning. No, 6. Too early.
Alright, good night, Carol. Good night. Okay, so once again we got a scooter, obviously. This time we got it through 3B Resort and it was like 450 pesos, which I think is just under $9. So our plan is to check out the west coast of the island now, because so far we've only checked out the east coast. So yeah, we're at the north, we're just going to drive down a bit, and apparently there's like mangroves and stuff. So yeah, that's what we're going to check out. Hello. Thank you. I never showed you in previous vlogs, but we just stopped at like a little hut here to fill up gas. You can see them everywhere. They always have these like Coke bottles. That's basically gasoline. So you never have to look too far to find them. So many people have them in front of their houses. And I think 1 liter was like 50 pesos, $1. So yeah, we just filled up ours a bit and now we're just gonna head on in our travels. We've come now to some really nice river along like, has some like mangroves and stuff, and we'd been looking for a boat tour, but yeah, the locals said today there's no boat operators, so unfortunately we can't do it. But I'll probably take my drone on the flight because some really nice scenery here, and so far I've only done drone shots of beaches, right? So yeah, it'll be something different. So you can see here there's some like little huts right on the riverside. Would have been a really nice boat tour through there. On the other side as well. So we found a boat tour with one of the locals here, and I think it was 500 pesos each, which is just under $9 each. No, just under $10 each overall. What's the name of this river?
San Isidro River.
San Isidro River. We're in a really awesome part now where it's like all really close, as you can see. So yeah, just really cool. This isn't really a touristy thing, we just found a local to take us down this river. We haven't seen a single other boat at all, so yeah, it's only us here. Nice surprise. So you can see these plants everywhere. He said it's called nipa. All over. Beautiful. Oh, you make rope?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Can you make it?
Yeah.
Yeah? So we're at a spot now where you don't need the motor anymore. Just the guy just pulling us along on his stick. Watch out. Yeah, you can see him over here. But check this place out. Nature. What was your name again? Look.
Look.
Alright, we're back now. So the tour actually lasted 2 hours, not 1 hour. So definitely got our money worth, and yeah, it's just awesome doing something so unexpected. We hadn't planned that at all this morning, so yeah, to just find that kind of tour. And just to show you where to find it, so we got the bridge here, San Isidro Bridge, and his store is that one right on the corner. What's he called again? Look or Lock. So yeah, once again you got the bridge here, and his store is right there. We decided to come back to our resort now, get smoothie. They have smoothies here. They have loads of options of food here actually. So banana smoothie, really tasty. And Carol was just saying, tell me what you just said.
We had our best and our worst experiences with accommodation here. Our best experience was this resort that we are now, and the worst was the
General Luna. Yeah, Moonlight. Yeah, I think this is the best place we stayed on the entire trip, right?
Yeah.
Like I said earlier on, I just love the vibe here, like the beach hut vibe. Just being able to hear the ocean and stuff at night, and like I said, it's a really good group of people. And we're in the north of the island, which is just completely like pretty much remote and all beautiful. It's like Jurassic Park up here, so yeah, that's just awesome as well. Karaoke time.
I told you it was gonna be funny. It's gonna be
I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever.
I don't wanna close my eyes.
I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe. Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Quiero bailar tu pelo, quiero ser tu ritmo. You say hello and then I say I do.
Gonna close the video out now. It's late and we've actually got to leave tomorrow. We're heading to Cebu. Now some of you are probably thinking why I didn't do like the island hopping tour or go to Sohotong Cove. So basically we had arranged to do the trip to Sohotong Cove, but on the day the other group cancelled, and then there was no way to do it again in the morning. And then on the other day, you already know I was a bit sick, so I didn't do anything because we had 4 days here, so I lost 2 days because of that. And then when we drove up here in the north the other day, we had saw these cabins, so in the end we kind of just preferred to chill out in a cabin than do any island hopping tours, even though that might have been more fun. We just thought this would be better, and I think we were right. It was kind of what we wanted, just to really chill out. So Siargao has been amazing, even though we didn't do the main and island hopping stuff. Still completely loved it. Nature's just blown me away. And if you're someone that doesn't like touristy places and you just really want to relax, this is definitely the place to come. And probably this resort as well, 3B Resorts, really amazing chill out place. So tomorrow we're heading to Cebu. That's going to be the next like island that we're going to be checking out, and we've only got 2 more weeks left, so after Cebu, I don't know where we'll go. Gonna have to work that out. So as always, drop a like on this video, subscribe if you like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.